In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Capital.com account. If you're cleaning up your workspace or starting fresh, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove a demo account from your Capital.com profile in a clear, safe way. First, open the Capital.com app or sign in on the web and make sure you're logged into the correct profile. Take a moment to confirm you're working with a demo account, not a live account with real funds. Deleting a demo account is permanent for that specific demo profile, so it's a good idea to note any strategies, screenshots, or results you want to keep before you proceed. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find this under a gear icon or in the main menu. Settings is where all account-related controls live, so it's the starting point for managing, renaming, or removing accounts. Inside Settings, open My Accounts. This section lists all the profiles linked to your login. You might see both live and demo profiles here, depending on what you've created. Next, choose Demo Accounts. This filters the list so you only see the simulated trading profiles. If you don't immediately see a Demo Accounts option, scroll the page or check for tabs and filters. Interfaces can vary slightly by device and version, but the option is there. Now select the specific demo account you want to delete. Double-check details like the account label, currency, or balance to make sure you're acting on the right one. If you use multiple demo profiles, verifying this step helps you avoid deleting the wrong environment. Inside that account's details, look for Close. Selecting Close begins the removal process. You may see a brief note reminding you that open positions will be closed and that the account cannot be recovered once deleted. This is normal and designed to protect you from accidental changes. Finally, confirm by choosing Delete. This is your last checkpoint. Once you tap or click Delete, the demo account will be removed from your list. Give the system a moment to process and then return to My Accounts to confirm the profile is gone. If it's still visible, refresh the page or relaunch the app and check again. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't find demo accounts, update your app to the latest version or switch to the web platform to complete the task. If the delete option is grayed out, make sure any processes have finished loading and try again. And remember, removing a demo account won't affect your live accounts, and you can always create a new demo later if you want a fresh start.